Hi, I'm Jeremy,
And I'm Stacia.
and we taught mixing 6 and 8 at Uptown Swing. Here, this is the first week of the month.
Level 2.
Yeah, so we did two different sets of moves. One was leader goes in front, follower comes along,
Just a little 6-count circle.
and then we did a 8-count circle. It looks like that.
We talked about the differences. One's more linear, one's more circular, and one has a step in the middle to extend it. So if you were there, you got that. And then the other exercise we did.
Moving the other way. 1, 2, the follower goes, the leader